About Baba Amte, what happened that Mr. Prem Vaidya had a heart attack, and that's why he could not film Mr. and late Baba Amte. And Baba Amte met an accident, and my husband had a heart attack one day before, on 23rd December in 1980. And that's why what happened that he was very much upset that he lost one of the nice filming part on Baba Amte. But somehow he was very much, his son Prakash Amte and Vikas Amte, they both had given us a very nice warm help, and that was a very nice experience. And so many things I can tell you, but you have given a complete silence to listen my few words, and I am thankful to all of you.
Thank you, Pramila Tai. I would request Abhayji to tell a few words about his father. And after that, anyone of you among the audience who have the opportunity to either work with him or to watch him closely, they can share their experience about Prem Vaidya ji. After that, we will straight away start the screening. Abhayji.
Thank you very much, Mr. Anil Kumar. Firstly, I thank all of you for being here. We are extremely grateful for the kindness that you have shown towards my father and the memories that he has left behind. I'll say just very few words. My father was fiercely independent, and some of the things that I will always remember about him and what I learned from him is that he led a simple life and he lived every moment. He believed in leading a very active life and in living life every moment, in not wasting this precious gift of life. On July 10th also, had he not suffered that heart attack, he would have been out with his walking stick and he would have been taking a walk. It happened that suddenly. He felt a bit uncomfortable, and I was there at home, and we told him, you rest on the bed, maybe you'll feel a little better. And then he went on the bed, and in about 15-20 minutes, without any of us noticing, he had passed on. I came to Films Division as a child because all my schooling and college was done in Mumbai, and I would come here from time to time. This building did not exist that time, and I remember coming to the editing room and meeting Mr. Thapa and Mr. Pendarkar and Mr. Bhashyam. And as my mother said, he was completely devoted to his work, and we respected that. It is a life that has inspired us and touched us very deeply. Thank you very much.